Welcome back, A-ROK team, to another review. My friends over at OneOdio have sent me these Studio Max 2 wireless DJ headphones to review, and I'm gonna tell you everything about them. They're supposed to have almost 0 to none lag, so we're gonna be taking them out to a real event and see if they really do work. I'm gonna be putting them to the best test, and that is mixing, dropping on the one, and we're gonna be scratching with them as well. So stick around and we'll both find out. Introducing the brand new OneOdio Studio Max 2 wireless DJ headphones. OneOdio literally slapped a bold claim on these. These wireless headphones feel wired. They teamed up with legendary producer Kashmir to tune them up. But do they actually live up to the hype? Or are they just massive ear goggles? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the elephant in the studio, the specs. Out of the box, you're getting the proper hardshell EVA case, a massive upgrade from the cheap fabric bags of the past. Inside, you will find some luxurious style headphones, really well cushioned around the ears and head for a long-lasting wear. They feel really sturdy and they have a perfect weight to them at only 350 grams. But you also get a USB cable to charge your transmitter and headphones, a straight cable for your transmitter with a 3.5mm jack on one end, and on the other end, a removable 6.35mm adapter for your M2 transmitter. This way you can plug it in on any professional device. You also get a coiled cable, 3.5mm to a 6.35mm cable for your headphones. And this little guy right here, the M2 2.4 GHz wireless transmitter. This dongle is where the magic happens. This is their Rapid Wheel 3.0 tech. If you use normal Bluetooth, you get a standard lag, but you plug in this M2 transmitter into your laptop, mixer, controller, or audio interface, flip the switch on the side of the headphones to 2.4 GHz, and boom, 9 milliseconds of latency. Basically, no lag. But wait, we have to talk about the absolute best feature of these headphones, the battery. 120 hours. If you're using a standard Bluetooth, the battery life is literally 5 days straight. Even if you use the high performance, ultra low latency 2.4 GHz transmitter, you still get around 50 hours. And if you somehow manage to kill them, a 5-minute fast charge gives you a 2.5 hour of playback. Talk about incredible. Welcome to the A-ROK room where all the magic happens. We're here in the green room and we're gonna go ahead and test these babies out. We're gonna go ahead and do 3 tests. We're gonna do a basic scratch test. I'm gonna go ahead and play a song, instrumental, and then I'm gonna go ahead and scratch over it. The second test we're gonna be doing is gonna be an actual basic mix. In and out, just simply throw it in, throw it out. The last test is the ultimate test. That's the one that's really gonna tell us everything. That's the test where we're going to be looping the record back and forth. I'm going to be listening to a track, rewinding it, playing it, dropping it, rewinding the track back, playing it, dropping it, boom. And I wanna be on sync. There's a speaker behind you guys, so I'm gonna be able to hear everything. It's gonna project the sound towards me. I'm recording it internally, so you guys are gonna be hearing everything that I'm hearing. And we're gonna go ahead and just see how everything responds at a live setting. As you can see, I don't have any cables. So let's go. Boom. Wow, So far, so good. Let's go ahead and do test number 2. Let's go. Test number 2. Just a simple mixing in and mixing out.
Good Lord have mercy. Just don't look real. Gotta maneuver myself tight, close, right quick so I can check that feel. I'm on it, yeah, I'm on it. Get in that how you want it. Bet stay right for this. We can go all morning. I gotta have it, no lie. That way you move and look nice. Wanna run that thing several times. That's 10, no 8 or no 9. Back and forth, hypnotized. Just that rise, then got high. Mad Factor, yeah, I'm that guy. How you moving so addictive? Get it, handle your business. Think I got an addiction? That booty got me tripping. How you moving so addictive? Get it, handle your business. Think I got an addiction? That booty got me tripping.
Wow, that was very impressive. Wow, I did not hear a lag at all. That's just me, my personal opinion. I can, wow, that's just bravo, bravo, OneOdio, bravo. Let's go ahead and do test number 3. Let's go. Boom. And just like that, number 3, test number 3. We're just gonna be looping back and forth. We're gonna be cueing the song, throwing it in, cueing the other song, throwing it in. This is just basically the same thing we did on the last round, but this is gonna be a little bit faster. This way I'm gonna get a feel whether I'm hearing an echo, a delay, or anything like that, all right? So let's go ahead and do this. Bravo, OneOdio, bravo. You took it, my friends. You took it. Wow. I cannot believe it. These are definitely DJ headphones. Wireless, completely. These are honestly the best headphones. I can plug them in and I'm good to go. I have no cord. I was right now, prior to this, I had my headphones in my head and I was like scrambling to hit record and I'm like, oh my God, I'm at the cord. I forgot there was no cord. I was able to run across, hit record. It was just awesome to be able to know that you have that freedom walking anywhere you want and you're still able to hear the song. I can leave. It's awesome. Hats off to you guys. I recommend this to every DJ. If you want to have a wireless headphones, these are the ones. And if you want to have just some headphones, these are so comfortable. They're perfect. I love the way they fit around my ear. So I definitely recommend them. DJ A-ROK definitely recommends them. So you're definitely going to be seeing me rocking these on my next mixes, all right? So stay tuned. Wow, and those were the OneOdio Studio Max 2 wireless DJ headphones. So if you love them as much as I do, make sure you guys click on the link below, save yourself some money, tell them DJ A-ROK sent you, and we'll see you guys on the next mix.